In this video, I will show you how to download and install Shizuku if your Play Store shows an error. First, open Chrome and search for GitHub Shizuku. Then, open the first link scroll down and tap on the latest release version. Scroll down again and tap on the download link. Then select Download Anyway. Once the file is downloaded, open it and allow the necessary permissions. After that, go to your Downloads section, tap on the APK file, and install it. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.